Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just over 500 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Tractor is rated at 90 horsepower, has a 4-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo. It's a very clean tractor. Again, does come with the 520M loader, has a global style hookup here for your bucket quick attach, has the front grill guard on the tractor. Paint's in great shape as you can see. Has a corner post exhaust, work lights on front and back of the cab. Tires are good. Extendable 3-point arms, drawbar and the top link are both on the machine. There's dual remotes back here. A couple very small scuffs in the fender back here, very minor. If you're looking for a clean 90 horse cab tractor, certainly well worth a look here. And again, it does come with the balance of the factory John Deere warranty. I believe that warranty runs into 2027. Inside the cab, looks like the exterior, it's in great shape. It does have the Rear Hyd seat for the operator. Has the left-hand power reverser here, which allows direction changes without clutching. 12-speed transmission, has 3 ranges on the shorter lever back here, and then 4 gears on the larger lever there, giving you a total of 12 speeds. Loader control also within easy reach, and then over there to the right there you have your hydraulic 3-point PTO controls as well. Up top you've got radio, climate controls, rear view mirror and sun visor. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. Looks like that warranty runs into May of 2027. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.